Big up to Chef Mike. Come to Jamaica. Make sure you put the.
One and all advance little boss, another big up chef life, you know.
Well, thank you.
We right here, man. The place I don't know, RT150. I represent Chef Life JN. You see, bro?
Bad. Chef life.
What are you doing?
Somebody go up the road, man. That.
Hey, oh my God. Welcome back again to another episode. You don't know, say how yesterday was an epic link up with Black Man the Traveler. You understand? Oh my God. Yeah, people, make sure you go check out his channel, alright? Yeah. Drop your video there. Look out for the video there. The one that was crazy. You don't know, say how meet Black Man the Traveler and his beautiful wife and nice daughter. Oh my God. Yeah, he say that. You know, say how link up with them at Jamaican shore fishing place and cook. Anything we find in them kitchen, just cook it. I understand, simple and nice, and they loved it, you know what I'm saying? So please, man, they're gonna please look out for the one, you understand? Yeah, I remember if you tell a friend boy, best personal chef service, alright? Yeah, oh my God, one chef like. Oh my God, so yeah, so you know what's up on the solid lookout, yeah, located on the reading side, yeah, catch out the staircase, check out the place, you understand? Oh my God, look on the kitchen, yeah, kude, you understand? Yeah man, I know, so they have 2 living room area, this is one, this is like a more modern one, you know what I'm saying? And this is like a little classic, you know what I say, oh my God, and from this area you can just walk all the way out to this balcony, you have more than one, catch a view, oh my God, so we have to go all the way over there in Freeport because we'll be doing 3 service today, you know what I'm saying? So we'll be moving fast, oh my God, yay, and we gotta come back to this location, catch what, brunch. Yeah man, early morning brunch, yeah, so we have some nice mimosas, oh my God, look at my good mimosa, yeah, we have a nice fruit platter here, ladies and gentlemen, oh my God, my people, yeah, and you don't know, we have scrambled eggs and we have the, oh my God, French toast, yeah man, some nice French toast with blueberry sauce, some barbecue chicken, yeah, and some more mimosa, yeah, we have some jerk sausages over there and another fruit platter, yeah, bacons, you know what I say, yeah, and a good mimosa, brunch time, oh my God, one team chef life, kude, yeah, so you know what's the people here with the next location right now, oh my God, yeah, we are going to the Oxtail right now, you know, under some running water, no joke, you know what I say, yeah, so you see, Oxtail in a pressure cooker, you understand, rice and peas up on fire, and over a pot on there, so we are going to do the pumpkin soup, oh my God, yeah, kude, funny people and nice Airbnb, yeah, so you have chicken season party people, and as I said, we have to go back, we have to hurry up because we have to go back to the next location to start the birthday, yeah man, get the chicken at the oven right now, oh my God, yeah, one team chef life, you don't know, big up team chef life, yeah, people don't forget to smash that like button, oh my God, yeah, so you don't know me, I go and set the table now, yeah, me have to change people because you don't know me, I move fast, I'm the hot, so I have to go in my yard and change and go some bam and start get the thing ready, so we have to prepare this dinner now, and then we are going to go back on the other location to get the birthday celebration ready, oh my God, the one they go epic, don't miss that now, so I'm hurry up and get the table set right now, people, because I move like Superman, you know me, I say, oh my God, express style, you know me, I say, yay, because 3 locations in one day, you know me, I say, big up Chef Roshan, so while I set the table, Chef Roshan, they run this, I go and do the right, you know me, I say, oh my God, yeah, so you don't know, the rice and peas, it's me, I say, people, rice and peas, I go and receive cream and pumpkin soup, they almost one boil over, yay, you understand, catch a view, Evelyn Nathan, yeah, Evelyn from the Freeport, oh my God, you don't know, people, link to this location will be in the description, or what I want to do. Yeah, do finally up now, oh my God, catch your evening view, oh my God, so people will be going back over the mountains over on that side to get the birthday celebration ready, don't want to miss that one. Oh my God, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service with Chef Life J.A. my peeps, oh my God, yeah, so you know, so we're back on the Slay again, oh my God, yeah, with Chef Roshan, you understand, yeah man, they right now prepare dinner for 6 people. But yo, this is not our only location for today, so now I get more than one video for today, alright? Here, when you finish here, so we have one 7 o'clock birthday, we have one birthday, 9 o'clock birthday dinner at Solid Lookout, oh my God, well active. So yeah, people, so just stay tuned and make with stay and let's see what's happening, alright? Yeah, please remember, you know, smash that subscribe button, yeah, from your full joining this type of content. All me ask you to do is just hit that notification bell too as well, yeah, and subscribe, alright, yeah. Remember, you know, to share, like and comment, you understand? Oh my God, yay, one Chef Life, you understand? Yeah, big up team Chef Life, alright people. So as I say, we're right here on the Slay. Yeah, the master my people. So look, you'll catch a few of my evening people. Yeah, from Slay. You know what I say? No joke. Alright people. Yeah, so remember with the best personal chef service now, man. Alright, you know I think good food them now. I think good service now. Oh my god. Hey, look at that view in the background. Oh my god, you know what I say? Yeah, love this land called Jamaica. You understand my people? So yeah, stay tuned. Alright people. Let's go. The deal is already set. Oh my god. Yeah man, so don't know where I go and go and get the fish clean up, you understand? It's already clean, but we are going to run it over to ensure that all the skills them are removed, yeah? Yeah man, so how to peel a carrot. So now we are going to get the carrot ready, alright? So I'm going to show you how to peel one carrot without a carrot peeler first, yeah? So first we are use one dinner knife and scrape the carrot, yeah? Just in case if you don't have a carrot peeler, leave it, alright? You can use one dinner knife and a small knife and peel the carrot, alright? Yeah, quick and fast, oh my god, yeah? So while I go and scrape the carrot, chef fresh and I go and check on the rice and peas to make sure it's in a bun up here. Yeah man, and go and make sure it's everything right. Oh my god, teamwork make a dream work, you understand? Remember, smash that like button people, oh my god, yeah? So now we have a carrot peeler, so this is how we peel a carrot with a carrot peeler, alright? Oh my god, so remember we have more than one location covering, so we need to hurry up and get this dinner ready, you understand? So we can go to another location. Oh my god, one team Chef Life, yay! Alright, carrot finish goes and peel off. Now we are going to slice up carrot. So we are slice up carrot for oxtail and also for vegetable. And I'll say, oh my god, yeah, and we fish, oh my god. So for me, quick and fast slice up it. Carrot, then you understand, get it going, yeah. Carrot for oxtail slice. Oh my god, dice. Yeah people, so remember enough, you tell a friend about the best personal chef service. You're interested in booking our service, all you gotta do is send me an email, alright? Yay! Email in the description. So now we'll do some julienne carrot, you know, I do some quick fast julienne carrot, you understand? Yeah, you don't want to cut off my finger. Oh my god, yeah man. So yeah, when I go some julienne carrot, you understand? Yeah, so them julienne carrot have to go in with escovitch sauce, quick and fast, yeah. So we get some nice fresh snapper pan with fish lady, you understand? Well fresh and nice. Oh my god, yay! You understand? Onion time, you understand? Prepare onion quick and fast now people. Yay, let's go. You know, we don't want to be late for our birthday girls, you know what I'm saying? Yay. Oh my god, so yeah, so here we're preparing dinner for 6 persons, you know what I say? Yeah, 6 people, you know? Yeah, I think they're from 80. Yeah, oh my god, definitely, I don't know, you're gonna get to see them, not in this video, but later on because they booked our service twice because the food tastes so nice. Oh my god, look out. Yeah, so I'm going to go and peel off the onion like the onion and give me a little fight. Yeah, yeah, me I bone out my rat it. Oh my god, yeah, go and get it ready and go and slice it. Yeah, oh my god, perfect. Yeah, slice up it real nice. Yes people, oh my god, do the right thing. Yeah, remember to tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, so we go and slice up onion to escovitch sauce. Yeah man, to put on a nice fried snapper, you know what I'm saying? Yes people, oh my god, do the right thing. Yeah. Yeah man, some scotch bonnet time I know. Oh my god, you don't know pepper them wash and nice. So I slice up with scotch bonnet pepper them. Yeah man, while chef fresh over the sauce, check on the pumpkin soup. Oh my god. Yes, cut up a nice scotch bonnet pepper, you know what I'm saying? Well hot and nice. Oh my god, you see them well spicy to people. Oh my god, hot. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Look on the good scotch bonnet, put it one side, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, spice up in your life. Yeah people, do the right. Yeah man, so I find piece of time people, oh my god, you understand? Yeah, wash off and cut it and put it in a pot, oh my god. So we have all our items for escovitch sauce, add me juice, oh my god, let there be juice people, oh my god, you understand? Alright, yes, so now we're going to put this on the fire, you understand? Yeah, make this reduce to a nice sauce, oh my god. So now we are going to prep for fish, season up for fish them right now, oh my god, you understand? Season up the snapper, you don't know chef if you're not seasoning snapper them, yeah? Look on the high eye snapper, that's how you check for quality, alright? Bright eyes, firm skin, you understand? No smell. That's how you check for freshness, alright people? Oh my god, don't forget that, yeah? Fresh! Remember to book the best personal chef service, alright? Yeah, so as you go and book with anything you order, you don't know, we go and get it fresh, alright? Yay! Fish then season, you don't know, yeah man. Teamwork make a dream work, remember? Yeah man, big up chef fresh and you understand I go and do the right thing. Yeah man, so yo, dice up the tomato them, oh my god, you understand why chef fresh and goes and do what I do run so I check for the cream of pumpkin soup, oh my god, yeah, eat a quick dice. So on our menu today people, yeah, we have braised oxtail with some broad bean, you know, so we have rice and peas, we have cream of pumpkin soup, oh my god, as a starter. Yeah, we have some fried fish, you don't know, in a escovitch sauce with some stir fried vegetable, oh my god. Also we have a Jamaican toto, yeah, oh my god. Yeah, the good food them, you know, man. So remember, if you're interested in booking our service, all you gotta do is send me an email. Yeah, no joke. Oh my god, one team Chef Life. Oh my god, diced tomato ready. Yeah, I'll hot now people. Yeah, I'll well hot, you understand? So yeah, we have piece of scotch bonnet pepper in the hot oil here to give the oil flavor. We have the escovitch sauce over there boiling. Oh my god. Yeah, the cream of pumpkin soup over there, so they go on like you want boil over pan with. Add in a nice snap of them nice hot oil. Look on that. Kude. I'll well hot. You see that people? Oh my god, a lot of flavor. I wish that y'all can smell that. Kude. You understand? Yes, so we'll add 3 fish. We do not want to overcrowd the pot, you know what I'm saying? Yay! Snapper or fry. Kude. Yeah, the good snapper. Remember to tell a friend about the best personal chef service people, you understand? Yeah man, do the right thing people, man. Big on. Yeah, so yo, I go to Bam, done wash your back chow and everything, so yo, we are chop up your back chow, you know I say, yeah, cause we give them some steam back chow too as well, you understand? Yay! Remember we give them from appetizer all the way to dessert. Yeah, you don't know, you understand? One team chef life. Yeah people, yeah man, oh my god, you don't know it turning fish them. Kude, snapper, who want one? Oh my god, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, you understand, if you check for my jerk chicken night over in the meantime. Yay, chicken ready. Oh my god, jerk chicken people, you don't know escovitch sauce, fried snapper, rice and peas, fried rice plantain, you don't know say oxtail and this side dessert. This side thing personally, you will not get to see everything on the table because I will have to leave to the next location. This is Jamaicanculture. Look on the Jamaicanculture. Oh my god, yay. You have to taste it, make sure it tastes nice here people. Oh my god, so these are the food and oxtail and the rest of the remaining dishes that you haven't seen. Yeah, Chef Roshana, take care. I'm running into town to go shop right now. Oh my god, next location. Oh my god. Alright, so here now people, see now we go for our next location, yeah? But guess what now? I'm going to stop the birthday cake. So I'm going to tell you today I'll be one epic one. Will do your work today, oh my god, alright? So remember to tell a friend, or this person has served, yeah. Oh my god, hey, Chef Life here again, alright? So today, you know, we have this nice beautiful lady, you know, she's doing all the setup, you know, oh my god, for the birthday girl, oh my god, alright? Hey, excuse me, Discipline Decor, can you please introduce yourself to my viewers?
And it is Rashida Rodney Price, and what you're seeing here is the production of Discipline Decor. We do balloons, marquee all kind of something, and you can check out our Instagram page.
Oh my god, so how do we find you? You need to tell me your Instagram page and your information so they can find you, right?
Discipline Decor.
Discipline Decor?
Yeah, Discipline Decor on Instagram, Facebook, and even on TikTok.
Oh my god.
Yes, and our number 471-3643.
Oh my god, you see that? Look, this is well disciplined, look on that. Oh my god, and you see that people? Make sure say so all I details them in the description, alright people? Yeah, oh my god, one shot like. Y'all don't mind if I video, but y'all gonna be on my YouTube, okay?
Okay.
Happy birthday! Yeah, so let's sing happy birthday to the birthday girl. Alright, happy birthday. Oh, no. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, happy birthday to you. Okay. So every time. Oh my god. Thank you. You're very welcome, alright? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, trust me. Just like my food tastes good, it's gonna taste so good, you're gonna wanna book me twice because my name is Chef Life, right? Oh, Chef Roshan.
Your friend?
Roshan. Chef Roshan.
Chef, your friend?
Roshan.
Oh. Not Chef, your friend.
You like Chef Roshan?
No, I like Chef, your friend.
Oh my god. Hey! Oh my god, this green is dirty to a teeth, eh? A lot of ladies. No, this is why we have this personal chef service. Oh my god. So, I want to do that, right? Two more. Line up 2 more class, Batman. Yay! Yeah, you know we're gonna make it extra nice for you, okay? Yay! Oh my god. I like that, you know? Yeah, I like that. You know, you're so beautiful. Oh my god. I will definitely send you that video.
I don't want to do this since you're already doing it.
That is the channel. Our $2,000. Oh, many lessons for us our time. Wow, learning our lessons that you have also poured into us. Thank you, Father God, for giving us the strength to always fast and go through everything for the being moment, for the chef, for the whole, everybody that pulled it together, and especially
Oh my god, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service with Chef Live JA, yeah? So I don't want to say how the food tastes so nice to get off the book us twice, oh my god, yeah? So you don't want to say how we're head down slay right now, yeah? Yeah, how do you right thing? So yo, we client them, what I cook for the other day, we didn't get to see the dinner. Yeah, well guess what, them book back with service, so yo, I go down there right now, I go show them how I go on. Oh my god, Freeport, yeah? Yeah, so I'm going to walk on now early morning, yeah? Yeah, man. Remember, I have to tell a friend to that. Yeah. Oh my god. Pleasant good morning, my people. So, yeah. They don't say I was back on the Soleil. Yeah. Oh my god, eh? I know some of this start. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to walk on right now. Now early morning. Yeah. Remember, tell a friend. Yeah. Link to book this location in the description, okay? Look out for that. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, so my friend, we provide service for you the other day, yeah, with dinner, yeah? How was dinner?
Oh, dinner was spectacular.
Yeah?
Find the word. We had oxtail, what else we got? We
Fish.
Had the soup, the pumpkin soup, we had the fish, it was amazing. Everybody enjoyed it. We took pictures out by the view.
Yeah?
Amazing.
Awesome, thank you so much, alright?
Yeah.
Enjoy your breakfast, alright my friend? Oh my god, thank you so much. We have to run shortly, okay? Yeah, we have another location to go cover, yeah? Yeah, yeah, we have to go all the way over there in the mountains. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, say, I don't know that was a quick breakfast, say, man, say, you know, I'm going to go to my next location here, I got to read, you know, finish off the birthday, right? Okay? Oh my god. So remember, tell a friend, go to this Personal Chef Service, alright? Yeah, link to book money. Link to the location will be in the description, okay? So remember, if you're interested in booking the spot, link it will be in the description, alright? Yay! Oh my god, one chef life. Oh my god, guess what? Guess who I woke up in a MontegoBay? Oh my god, people, yeah? Who is this? Oh my god! Yay! Auntie Sharon and Chanel. Oh my god! Yay! Epic link up. That is it.